From this point, back here and do this.
Okay.
Let us get back. This is the way you go.
There's no rock that can slide down.
So you hear something inside.
Yes.
Those the bats. So
Oh.
this is the way we're going to cave.
We're still going inside.
Yeah, still going. Okay. So here, what this mind not there?
Okay, let me mind my hand.
Yes, that's right. Don't step in water.
Okay.
Okay. This is a shrine I told you.
Oh, this is a shrine.
Yes.
Okay. I can see Maria.
Maria, those are the founder of the religion. Yes.
Okay.
So inside the cave, you have water. Yesterday I told you you have the rain.
It rains.
Yes, yesterday.
Hey, there are bats inside.
Yeah, the bats. Oh, sorry. So here we have story behind of this.
Oh, this one.
Yes. So for a long time, here we have something like a bowl.
A borehole.
Yes. And the down on it, we have water.
Inside.
Inside.
Is it deep?
Well, yeah, for now it's so deep.
Oh, not now. So if I step inside, I'm not going to sink.
Yeah, now we can. But you know, for a long time, when you step here, you will go down and you find the water, and that water is connected into the lake.
Oh.
Down. So when you fall here for a long time, you will get your body from the lake after 1 week.
After 1 week?
After 1 week.
Jesus, okay.
So yes, you get your body from the lake. But now it's blocked. Because we don't want here to kill someone.
Yeah, that's true. Because somebody might sleep and...
Yes. And here, for those days, when you get married from this place, the first one, you must bring them, your wife here, and the husband can give you 10 coins.
10
so
coins?
10 coins in one hand, and you will make thing in English calling figure. And you will throw that money down there.
Down this?
Yes.
Okay.
After that, you go down there and you find those ladies who will make you dancing like celebration. So when you go home, no separation with your husband.
Ever?
Ever.
I think I should try that.
Yes. And those ladies, they follow the culture. When you are going there, down there, you get dancing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So now, we want to proceed here, but try to work with stones. We have stones here. Yes.
I don't know if you're going to manage to fill.
Yeah, we will fill it. You will make it. Just hold this, like this. Step here. This is the stone. Like
oh,
this.
We might still fill it.
Yeah.
So that then you make your stone.
Jesus.
Oh, the birds.
Those are birds.
Those are birds. And here, don't step on this. It's slippery.
Okay.
Step aside on it.
The side.
Yeah.
I might be out.
Lift your head and try to hold it straight. Because to get in water, what you should be straight on side. I'm slowly step on this. You can put your hand on top. Yeah. You are trying again. But it's free.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take a seat for the you start climbing. But this is the first floor.
The first floor. Yeah.
So you start climbing. So after this we're going to the second. Up there. But no way from that side. You must go back and find
Or through the cave again.
Yes. So here you can take picture, maybe selfie from this background. So when you face this wall,
Okay.
you will see some cracks.
Yeah.
Those cracks, they are formed like a map of countries, but they are formed natural. So when you look this one, so we bring you face mark of
Kenya.
This one is Kenya.
Yes,
It's
interesting.
come natural.
Uh-huh.
And from this side, you will see Africa.
Yeah, that one.
This one is Africa.
Yes.
It's come natural from the wall. When you try to look up, that one Wazungu say that is South America.
That one?
Up there, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, that is South America. So when you have seen those cracks, they form like a map of countries.
Of countries, yeah.
Yes, but they form natural.
Okay.
From the wall.
So the water spills inside there and then it starts spilling?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Let's go. Going to the next place. Climbing the rock. So the next. Oh, we going. That was downstairs. Okay, let's go.
On this side, try to come like this.
Okay, you have to be careful.
Yes. Already we are up.
Okay.
So we have resting place. And
then I put.
Yes, your hand properly.
Okay. I did it. All churches or
No, for now, not all churches.
or anybody can come and pray. Okay.
So this is the resting place where you can come and sit over here and enjoy breeze come from the lake. Lake was there.
The lake?
Yeah, lake, that is lake.
Oh, it's still here.
Yes.
Interesting.
So the breeze came from the lake.
Okay.
It's very nice place. You can come and try to see.
I will not manage.
Okay, good. Slowly.
So are we still going through this route? Through here. This is the view of the stone. Look at God's interesting work because these rocks, look, like these rocks have been here for years and none has fallen. We have a stairs, another third, second and the third stone. We have another stone up there. Can you see it? Look.
So guys, now we finished the journey. I want to tell you our culture because there are so many culture now.
Okay,
there are so many tribes, but we have different culture. So for a long time, when you came from this, it's allowed to, when you go 18 years old, it's allowed to blow a 6 teeth down here, like mine.
6
teeth.
You remove 6 teeth,
yes,
like at the age of 18?
Yes, because I follow my culture.
Okay.
Yes, that is the Luo cultures.
Okay.
So when you go to Masai, you will see they cut something like ears.
Yes.
And put something, that is the culture from the Masai.
Yes.
When you go to Kalenjins, they remove one to the middle.
Okay.
That is the culture for those days.
And let me ask you.
Yes.
So when you're removing the teeth, you removed without...
They use knife.
To remove it?
To remove it.
Jesus.
So that
it's like, wait, the 6 teeth, the lower, for men?
No, both.
Even women?
Yes.
You removed the 6 teeth?
Yes.
And you remained like that without...
Yeah, that is our culture. So for those days when you get lost...
How many Luo tribes are you, or is just one Luo tribe?
Only Luo tribes. One.
Okay.
Yes.
But do they do it anymore, or is
for
just...
now, when you like it, you want to follow our culture, you can do it.
Okay.
Yes. And now this religion is calling Legion Maria. They follow the culture from the Luo.
Okay.
So when you go to pray for him, he's allowed to remove the lower 6 teeth now. Because they follow the tradition for those days.
Like, okay, it looks so painful, like when somebody comes with a knife and
Yes.
Jesus.
And you know, for those days, when you come sick and you want to get the medicines, because for those days we don't have doctors.
Yeah,
We have,
sure.
yes, you use those medicines. You can making and put from the calabash, and they use for the hand from the calabash for that gap for use there.
To heal it.
Yes.
Like the herbs, you
Yes.
heal the gap with the herbs.
Yes.
Guys, this is interesting, but it's scary at the
That is
same
now
time.
our culture now.
Oh, that's your okay.
Thank you, guys.
I'm just so grateful.
Yes.
And you, Moses. Huh?
Yes, Moses.
Moses, thank you for the tour. You're just an amazing guide.
Yes.
Guys, if you come to Kit Mikayi, ask for Moses. Moses who?
Moses Okello.
Moses Okello. Ask for Moses Okello. And this place, you need to visit it. And our tour comes to an end at this point. We're heading to the next point where we're going to see the ladies who sing the traditional Luo songs, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go and dance.
Yeah.
That is what is making me so excited.
Thank
So
you.
guys, see you until next time. Moses, say bye to my people.
Oh, bye-bye.
Until next time.
Next time again we'll meet. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Good.
Bye. Until
Good.
next time, we are out. Peace.
Good.
Okay.